True friends. It is very hard to find true friends in life. Very difficult to find true friends, but they do exist. The point is, it is just very difficult to find them. One way to identify true friends can be got from this quote that true friends are like stars. Yes. Why are they like stars? Stars only appears during the darkness, and nobody enjoys life in the darkness because it is difficult to see in the darkness unless you're a kind of a criminal person. The good people don't enjoy darkness. Although most of the things are enjoyed at night, we always find night as where we hide, we go and sleep. Yeah. So, but the stars only appear at night. At daytime, you don't see the stars. You don't. You only see them at night. And the stars make the night beautiful. So true friends are like stars. They only appear when there's darkness. When you're in the difficult time, the darkness represents the difficult time unlocking the key. Darkness represents the difficult time. The stars represents the true friends. And you are the hearth. So when the hearth is at the darkness, that is you in the difficult time, hard situations, that's when the true friends can be seen. Not when you're enjoying life. Not when you're happy, doing the things that makes you okay. Not when you're in for party. It is when you're in your difficult time, in your sorrow, in your sad thing, emotional moments, that's when you realize that this is really a true friend. Because they will step in to come and help you. The help may not be physical, monetary. It may be just advice or just to be near you. That could be enough to be called help. That is what is called true friendship. They are identified at difficult times. They are like stars. When you see these kind of people, when you fall into a big problem, they start talking against you, they start laughing at you, talk negative towards you. That's not a true friend. That was just an enemy near you. You didn't know it was an enemy. They have not just changed, they're showing the real character. And it takes time in life to choose who your true friend is. That's what I've learned. Let me know in the comment what you also learned. Thank you.